Hello friends, welcome to this part of the video series on chatbot development end-to-end project. Any chatbot development will start with a sample conversation flowchart. By term sample conversation, I want to explain you that we will draw a flowchart so that we can understand how the conversation will flow from previous to the next conversation. For a flowchart, you can use any tool you want to. I will use draw.io. This is simple and easy to use tool and it's free as well. So here you can see our conversation will start with a hello. When users say hello, we will reply it with please choose a difficulty level between 1 to 5. So the next step, user provides the difficulty level. Once user provides the difficulty level, then we will ask a question. Now, once we ask a question, user will provide the answer. Now, at this point, we have two possibilities. Either the question is the last question or not. So we will check is the question is last or not. If it's last question, we will show result. If it is not last question, we will ask next question. So our conversation will move here. Now again, user will provide answer. We will check whether the answer or the question we have asked is last or not. If it is last, we will show the result. Otherwise, we will ask next question and wait for answer. These things, these things are intent name. These things are context, and we will understand these things in detail in subsequent videos on this video series. So this is it from the flowchart part. First, we will ask a level for the quiz. User provides level. We ask first question, then wait for the answer, then check either it is last or not. And based on that condition, we will move forward to the next question or to show the result. So this is how our flow of the conversation will be. In the next part, we will understand Dialogflow and its functionality. See you in the next part of the video series. If you like my work, please consider subscribing to my channel. It helps. Thank you for watching. Peace.